My story today has some unique names in it, and I'm going to do my best with pronouncing them. This is the story of Anna or Annie Trotti. Anna was born on February 11th, 1831 in Barnwell County, South Carolina. She was the oldest of at least 3 children born to, I'm not sure if it's Jasper or Gasper, and Carolyn Adams Trotti. Her father was a prominent lawyer in Barnwell County. He died when Annie was only 6, and censuses show her mother remained in South Carolina after he passed away, raising her kids and taking care of the house. In 1854, when Annie was 22, she married 44-year-old Reverend, I think it's pronounced Jehu Lewis Shuck. Reverend Shuck was an educated man, and Annie was his 3rd wife. He began preaching at the age of 20, and he has a church named after him in West Virginia called Shuck Baptist Church, and this church is still being used to this day. He later studied at Virginia Baptist Seminary, which provided preparation to be a minister and also a liberal arts education. While attending this school, Reverend Shuck met his first wife, Henrietta Hall, and he decided to become a missionary. According to Reverend Shuck's grave, he and his first wife, Henrietta, were the first Southern Baptist missionaries to travel to China. They left for China 14 days after marrying, and Henrietta was only 19. During their trip, Henrietta died unexpectedly at the age of 27 while they were living in Hong Kong. She is buried in Hong Kong, and her grave, similar to Reverend Shuck's, states she was the first American woman missionary to China. Both Henrietta and Reverend Shuck wrote and published books about their time and experiences in China. She had at least 4 children with him before her death. After losing Henrietta, he returned to the United States, and he married Eliza or Lizzie Sexton. Lizzie was a teacher at a women's college named Judson Female Institute. The couple must have returned to China for another missionary trip, because 5 years after marrying, Lizzie died while in China. She is buried in China in a cemetery Find a Grave says was destroyed. Reverend Shuck once again returned to America, and this is when he met and married Annie. Annie and Reverend Shuck had only one child together, a daughter named Carrie, who passed away at only 3 years old. Reverend Shuck died not long after Carrie in 1863 at the age of 50. He is buried in Barnwell Baptist Church Cemetery in Barnwell County, South Carolina. I know most of this story seems to have been about her husband, but there just aren't any records to be found about Annie. After losing her husband and daughter, she disappears from the records until her death in 1892, where she apparently had moved to Missouri. Annie passed away on March 13, 1892, at the age of 61. I couldn't find any information on her cause of death or an obituary. She was buried in Fairview Cemetery in Douglas County, Missouri, which was near the old township of Ann, Missouri. Her simple stone with the heart on it caught my eye, and her simple stone ended up being connected to some interesting history and stories. My family tree research showed that I have no relation to Annie, but I have permission to clean any stones I want to in this cemetery. Thank you so much for watching and keeping these stories alive. Rest in peace, Annie.